Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And in today's video I want to show you a very trending topic, a very good way to make money that no one is taking advantage of, and that is removing backgrounds of images. Yes, now obviously this won't require any skill of yours, because we are going to use this tool that I'm about to show you. Yes, and the only thing that you will have to do is remove backgrounds and obviously sell them. Yes, now I'm going to show you the mediums where you will start selling these images. Yes, now before we jump into the video, as I always say, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon so that you always get notified when I release a new video, and obviously make sure to like. Now let's stop jumping around and talking about nonsense, and let's get into the video. So let's get into the video. Now, the website that we are going to be headed is called remove.bg.com. Yes. Now, let me explain briefly what this website is about. Basically, it allows you to remove backgrounds. That's all. Yes. So as you can see, it's you have to upload an image, and then it has an AI, artificial intelligence, that will remove the background for you. Yes. Let me show you an example of how this works. Yes. I'm going to, the only thing that you have to be aware of this web page, of this website, is that you have to use images which are very identifiable, where the main object is very identifiable. Say, for example, this image, the principal object is this man, and the background, obviously we can see what the background is. So let's use this image, for example, and let's see how the AI does its job. So there the image has downloaded, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the image as the screen says, anywhere, and it will upload the image, and it will automatically remove the background for you. Basically it has an algorithm which analyzes as I said, the principal object, and by analyzing the principal object, it removes all the other pixels that surround the principal object of the image. In this case, it was the man. Yes, so let's see how it did. Yes, as you can see, it did very good. It did very good. In this case, it removed the table. Now, to edit the image and to add the object that it removed, it's very easy. You just go to edit, and you go to erase and restore, and here you can erase some parts of the image that you don't want. In this case, I don't have nothing to erase, but you can also restore some things that the algorithm erased by accident. Yes, so you go to restore, you apply the brush size, and you restore, in this case, the table. Yes, and as you can see, it's as easy as that. And there you have the image already with the background already removed. Yes, and you hit download, you download the image, and yeah, you now have an image with the background removed. Now this is the way we're going to make money. Now once you have the image already with the background already removed, you obviously have to go to a freelance website, just as Fiverr and Upwork, and start selling your services. Now let's do some market research and start seeing how much these people are charging for removing your background on Fiverr, these freelancers. So if we type background removal on Fiverr, you'll see that people are charging, like, they are charging $5. Yes, $5, for example. For 120 images, they will charge $5. What I would really recommend you to do at the start on any freelance website such as Fiverr or Upwork is to obviously charge less if you can, or in this case, because on Fiverr you can't charge less than $5. You can charge $5. You need to charge $5 because you can't go lower with Fiverr. But what you'll do, instead of just providing 25 images with the background removed, you will provide 150 images. So you will improve, you will be better than the competition, and obviously by charging less and doing more than the competition is doing, obviously your gigs will be promoted better or higher than the ones that are charging more for less images. Yes, so that's the strategy I want to recommend you when you start doing and applying this method. Yes, and also if I type background removal, you can see all the searches that appear. Yes, so also don't do 1 gig and just let Fiverr do all the work. Just do thousands, or not thousands, but a lot of gigs, say 50 or 15 gigs with all these keywords. Yes, as you can see, Fiverr also has like a keyword prediction keyword system on the search bar. So when I typed background removal, it's also show you background removal, photo background removal, photo editing background removal super fast, remove background from image, remove background from photo. So you will have to do a gig, 1 gig for every keyword, so that you will have more chances of Fiverr selling your gigs, because obviously you don't appear for 1 keyword, you will appear for 10, 15 keywords. Yes, so that will give you more exposure and obviously make you in the end more money. Yes, now I want to show you an example of when this method won't work very good. For example, these images were where the principal object is not as identifiable as the image that I showed you before of the man, because here you have a lot of principal objects, you have a lot of buildings, you have a lot of cars, so the algorithm, the AI, will have a hard time removing the background of this image. Yes, so in that case you will have to use Photoshop. There's thousands of YouTube videos on how to remove backgrounds with Photoshop. That's fairly easy. For those types of photo, you will have to use Photoshop. It's mandatory that you use Photoshop. That there's no other way without not knowing Photoshop. Yes, in the case that you have an image with a principal object, yes, you can use remove.bg, and that is the strategy, because you will have to do a lot of images, because as you saw on Fiverr, they charge $5 for 25 images, 125 images. Yes, so you want to pump up that number. Yes, because you obviously want to sell more than the competition for less at the start, because obviously when you do this at the start, people will obviously go to the freelancer that is charging less for more. This is in everything in markets. For example, if I go to a shop, I will obviously go to the one that charges less and gives me more. That's just capitalism. So I'm going to show you how this image won't work with the system. And as you can see, it couldn't identify the foreground background. Yes, so you will have to put images that have a principal object, such as a man, such as a bottle, such as something that the algorithm can't attribute as a principal object. Yes, now let me show you what the prices are on, for example, Upwork. Yes, I typed on Upwork background removal, and these gigs appeared. Yes, and as you can see, this guy is setting himself as a Photoshop background removal specialist, and he's charging $18 an hour just for removing a background of a photo, which you can do within 2 seconds without knowing Photoshop. Yes, so you can just go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, and obviously obliterate this competition by just offering $5 for 150 images, because you can do it let's be honest, you can but remove the background of 150 images in less than 10 minutes. Yes, or in less than 20 minutes if we're going to be realists. Yes, so just be better than the competition, and obviously the market will choose you because you're offering less for more than the competition. Yes, for example, $8 an hour for Photoshop background removal, PhotoCAD, or photo retouching. The same with this one. Well, this is the only one offering for $5 an hour. Yes, but as you can see, there are people just abusing on Upwork, and you can just go and get jobs for less and obviously make money. Yes, so this was all for this video. This was a quick video just because, well, it's very easy to make and it's very self-explanatory. And if you want, and also remember to watch other of my other videos, yes, so as to have more ideas on how to make money online. And obviously I really always encourage you to leave your questions in the comment section below and to like on this video. Yes, so I will see you till next video, guys.